Are you using email marketing to grow your business and sell more of your services? If not, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Most businesses collect the email addresses of their customer, and if they don't, it certainly is easy to start doing. But then you know what happens? Nothing. Their email addresses just sit there and don't help you increase your business. Well, that's where we would like to help. We specialize in email marketing. In other words, we can help you get more business and make more money. Did you know that 80% of professionals feel that email marketing has been incredibly important for their business? So here's how it works. We carefully send emails out to your customers. We can give your customers reasons to come back again. We can let them know about special sales that you're running. We can even email past customers who haven't been into your business for a while and give them a reason to come back in. Make no mistake, email marketing is an incredibly profitable way to grow your business. We would love to help you. Simply follow the directions on this page to continue.